If you are a business owner with an existing QuickBooks file and you start to work with a new bookkeeper or accountant, one of the first things you'll have to do is add them as an accountant user in your QuickBooks file. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need two different possible forms of information. You will either need their first name, their last name, and their email, or their accountant ID number in QuickBooks Online. So in order to add this new user, once you have this information, you will go to the big gear icon up in the upper right-hand corner here, and you will select Manage Users under your company. Now, this takes you to a screen where you can actually manage all of the users who might be involved in your company file. You can see here we have the roles listed as well as whether or not they are active in our file, okay? Now, in order to add an accounting firm, you're actually going to toggle to accounting firms right up here. And as you can see, this is where you would add an accountant user. You can select Invite in the upper right-hand corner here, and you can toggle between the different kinds of information that the accountant might provide to you to facilitate this. So if they provided their accountant firm ID, you would click this information here and enter that number here. Now, if they've provided their name, first name, last name, and email, you would enter that here. So for my clients, they would enter Holly Morton and my email. And they could go ahead and select Save at that point. Now, once they hit Save, that email invitation is going to come through to me, and I'm going to be able to add them as a client on my own set of books. This enables me to go in and start to view their file so that we can start to work together and establish what next steps look like. If you have any questions about this or any other item in QuickBooks, please feel free to drop a comment below and I would be happy to help out. Have a lovely day.